compatible with virtualization? How much you're compatible with virtualization?
Virtualization, actually, I know about type 2 virtualization. I know something about, but type 1, I don't know anything about type 1.
Okay, no problem. You know Hindi, right? You know very well.
Yeah, Hindi also I know. No, I like not too much, but I can understand what you are saying. I can understand.
So you're compatible with English or Hindi?
You can use both. It's fine for me. I can understand, but when I am speaking, maybe there will be mistakes in Hindi. That's what I'm saying. But I can understand. No issue.
Fine. Okay, so hypervisor 2, it means that you have idea about the workstation and other types of virtualization, like as a virtual machine, virtual PC, right?
Yeah, virtual PC, yeah, virtual box.
Virtual box, no problem, no problem. Okay, so let's talk from very basic, means we need to understand about the concept of virtualization. And before that, I want to know about which version, because in case of ESXi, we have a multiple version, 6.0, 6.5, 6.7, 7.0, like that. So which version you are planning to learn, means which?
The 7.0.
7.0.
Yeah.
Okay, cool, no problem. Fine. So our agenda to understand about the each and every options or features which is available in ESXi 7.0. We'll discuss about the vCenter server, especially based on the 7.0 activity. But before that, we need to know about the basic difference between hypervisor type 1 and hypervisor type 2. Because if our base is okay, if we could be the basic understanding of virtualization, definitely we are able to perform each and every task related to the virtualization, especially related to the VMware virtualization. So first of all, talk about what is virtualization.
Okay.
As per the name suggests, what do you think about virtualization? In single word, what we can say about virtualization?
It's not a physical server. Like there will be no physical devices. Yeah, that's what I know. Like we will make something like a physical server. We are making virtual server. Hello.
Correct. So basically, virtualization is a technology. Like as you know that we have a networking, we have a server, we have a cloud, database, or development part. So virtualization is also a type of technology, which is help us to create a setup, right?
Okay. Yes.
And virtualization is responsible. Virtualization can means you can say that with the help of virtualization, we are able to create a multiple virtual machine. Means we can use the virtualization to perform a multiple tasks related to virtualization, like as a related to the VM, related to the application, networking, storage, and number of virtualization activity we can manage. Correct?
Okay. Yeah.
Fine. For better understanding, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to divide the virtualization part in two different. Virtualization is categorized for understanding only, categorized in two different parts. Work-based and another is related to technology based.
Okay.
The meaning of work based means which types of tasks you are able to perform. क्या क्या काम हम कर पाएंगे, वो सारी चीजें हम वर्क बेस्ड में देखेंगे. कौन कौन सी टेक्नोलॉजी है इन केस ऑफ वर्चुअलाइजेशन, कौन कौन से प्रोवाइडर हैं या कौन कौन से सर्विस प्रोवाइडर हैं जो वर्चुअलाइजेशन को के टूल्स को डिजाइन करने का काम करते हैं या क्रिएट करने का काम करते हैं. ओके.
Okay.
Workspace in the sense we are able to configure we can use the virtualization for storage. We can use the storage for virtualization for memory.
Okay.
And application and about the networking.
Okay.
So storage in the sense, talk about the storage. For example, you have a 100 TB of storage. Okay.
Okay.
Now you are planning to share this 100 TB with multiple computers. Like 10 TB to machine 1, 5 TB to machine 2, 10 TB to machine 3, like that. You have to share the space with multiple computers. So only virtualization can help you. We don't have any option. Only and only virtualization can help you to divide your storage in multiple parts. Is it correct?
Yes, correct. Yeah.
So storage in the sense, you know that whenever we create a Google Drive, whenever we sign up ourselves open over a Gmail account, Google will give you 15 gig free space. You are able to upload any data, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is the part of our big storage. They establish a big configuration based storage in backend. Whenever we sign up with Gmail, automatically they assign a 15 gig space associated with our username and password. Is it clear?
Okay. Yes, clear.
It happened only and only with the help of virtualization. Without virtualization, it's not possible. I hope you understand about the storage virtualization. Clear?
Yes. Yes. Yeah, clear.
Now talk about memory. So memory is related to RAM, right?
Yes. Yes.
Right now, for example, let me check. This is my another computer, another laptop you can see there, which is contain 16 gig RAM, Core i5 processor, and 150 GB of SSD. Okay. And this machine is basically we will use it for our VMware training because we are able to install everything. ESXi, we are able to install vCenter server domain. Each and every machine we will install on this particular computer. Okay.
Okay.
Now, for example, you have a one machine with capacity of 16 gig RAM, just 16 gig RAM. Okay. This is your desktop or laptop, which is contains 16 gig RAM.
Okay.
And 3.0 gigahertz CPU and maybe 1 TB of hard drive. Okay.
Okay.
If you use this configuration to install Windows 7, so it means that we are unable to utilize the entire space. Because for Windows 7, I think 4 gig and 8 gig RAM is enough to handle the activity. Is it correct?
Yes, correct. Yeah.
You want to use the same machine. You want to use the same configuration machine to create multiple virtual machine. 2 GB RAM, 4 GB RAM, 6 GB RAM. Is it possible? Right?
Yes, possible.
Whenever you divide your RAM, usage from like as a you have a total space of 16 GB RAM, and you want to use it with the right. You want to use the 16 gig RAM with multiple, like as you want to use RAM with multiple virtual machine. So virtualization can help you to divide your RAM with multiple virtual machines. Clear?
Yeah, clear.
Now talk about applications. So in application, we have a one-off example,
Okay.
VMware tool.
Okay.
So VMware tool basically is a collection of drivers. Drivers in the sense,
Okay.
chipset driver, LAN card driver, Wi-Fi driver, or NIC driver, graphic driver. So VMware tool is a graphic driver which is available automatically. You will be get in your ESXi host. Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
Whenever
Okay.
you install ESXi host, you will be get a VMware tools, and you can use the tool with any computer, any virtual machine, and this tool can help you to install a driver related to your operating system. The driver for Windows 7, same driver can work for Windows 7, Windows 8, Server 2012, 2016. Means same driver you can utilize with multiple operating system. Clear?
Okay. Clear.
Now talk about networking. So it's really simple. We will discuss two important networking. One is the standard switch, and second is distributed switch. Is it clear?
Yes, clear.
Because you know that, I hope you know about the physical switch, manageable switch, non-manageable switch, right?
Yeah, I know. Yes.
Manageable switch, like at Cisco, you are able to configure password, you can change the host name, you are able to create a password for console, a number of things you are able to perform. You are able to create VLAN kind of thing.
Yes, yeah.
In virtualization, no need to use any physical switch because it will give you two virtual switch. First is standard and second one is distributed switch. DV switch, you can say that. Distributed virtual switch.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes, it's clear.
Work-based means how we can utilize the virtualization, how we can be a part of virtual environment. So you should know about the capability. You should know about the features of virtualization. So with the help of virtualization, we can divide our storage. We can create our memory. We can divide our memory with different part. We can use a virtualization for the application dividation. We can use virtualization to manage the network activity as well. Is it clear?
Okay. Yes, clear. I have one doubt.
Please.
Regarding this memory, if we have total 16 GB, can we allocate this 8 GB for one server and another 8 GB for one server? And if we have three virtual machines, I can again give the 8 GB for third server also, in case if we have only 16 GB, or it can be divided only to 8 GB only.
No, see, if you want to use the 16 GB RAM, so what happens if you are using ESXi? Okay.
Okay.
So ESXi means you have a physical 16 gig RAM, right? Physical 16
yeah.
gig RAM.
Yeah.
You are able to create a 8 gig RAM based machine up to 4 to 5 different VM. You are able to create it, right?
Oh, okay.
100% you are able to create up to 4 virtual machine or 5 virtual machine in, of 8 gig of RAM. You can do that, but that depend, the consumption depend upon the consumption.
Okay.
You are able to assign the RAM of 8 GB of 5 machine. It is possible, but it is work over the consumption. How much RAM used by VM1, how much RAM used by VM2, how much RAM used by VM4 or 3.
Okay.
Because you are just dividing the virtual, you are dividing the virtual capacity of your RAM, not a physical.
Okay.
So it will be consumed, it will be work on the consumption, not only in the number.
Okay.
Is it okay?
Yeah, it's okay. It's clear.
Cool. I'm going to show you the practical as well. No worry about, because I have a 16 gig RAM. I'll create a multiple VM 8 gig of RAM. We'll create a 4 different virtual machine with 8 gig RAM. It's possible, but In case of consumption, it will be create a problem with your base machine.
Oh, okay, okay, fine.
Is it okay about work-based?
Yeah, it's fine. It's clear.
Talk about technology-based. As per the name suggests, technology-based is categorized in two different parts. Hypervisor type 1, okay,
Okay,
and hypervisor type 2.
okay,
Hypervisor type 1 is also considered as a bare metal virtualization, okay, bare metal
okay,
virtualization. And hypervisor type 2 is considered as a hosted virtualization.
okay,
Talk about the examples. ESXi second, Zen server third, Hyper-V of Microsoft. These all are considered as a bare metal virtualization.
oh, okay. Hyper-V is also a bare metal.
Hyper-V is also example of bare metal virtualization. Yes, correct. Any confusion, any
Okay.
doubt?
Yeah, actually, I have seen like hypervisor on Windows 2019 servers and all.
Correct. It's a part of Windows Server 19, Windows Server 2012, 2016, 2019, which is available in every, no worry.
Okay.
See,
Okay, so it can be installed on bare metal also.
exactly. See, we have a two different way to install the server operating system. One is in GUI, one is in GUI, and second, you can install a core server, right?
Yeah.
We are able to install a core server.
Core server, yeah.
So basically, whenever you install a core server, it give you, whenever we install the core server, it give you access of your entire hardware resources.
Oh,
And
okay.
if you install the Hyper-V, it is work like as a bare metal.
Oh, okay.
Is it okay?
Yeah, clear.
Now, talk about hosted virtualization. So as per the name suggests, hosted virtualization, you can install on a third-party tool. Let me give you information about the types of hosted virtualization are.
Okay.
VMware Workstation. The best example of our hypervisor type 2. Second, virtual PC, Microsoft product.
Okay.
VirtualBox, Oracle product.
Okay.
VMware Fusion, VMware product. So these all are considered as a hosted virtualization or hypervisor type 2.
Okay.
Is it clear?
It's clear.
Fine. Now talk more about it. The actual difference between bare metal virtualization and hosted virtualization. So bare metal virtualization, we can install these applications, we can install these software or operating system, you can say that. We can install these software directly to the base machine. Got it?
Okay. Yeah, got it.
What does it mean directly on the base machine?
Means on the direct server we can install without any operating system. We can install directly on the physical server.
Correct. So if we don't have any operating system, right? If we don't have any operating system, this is your desktop or laptop, which is contain a good configuration. Good configuration in the sense like as a 16 gig RAM, 2.5 gigahertz CPU or 4-core CPU,
Okay.
and up to 500 gig hard drive. And no operating system. There are no operating system available. Okay. It's a fully blank. You can say that it's a DOS based.
DOS based. Okay.
DOS based in the sense blank. You don't have any OS.
Okay.
Clear? So this is considered as a, and now you are planning to install the ESXi.
Okay.
You want to install with the help of bootable pen drive.
Okay.
Clear? So this is considered as a bare metal. Means without operating system, you want to install the virtual tool or virtual operating system.
Okay.
Any question?
No, it's clear.
Cool. As we know that Workstation, Virtual PC, VirtualBox are VMware Fusion. So these all are the tools. These all are the tools.
Okay.
Hosted virtualization. Hosted virtualization means you can say that dependent virtualization.
Okay.
Dependent virtualization means, for example, this is our system. We already installed Windows 10 operating system. Clear?
Clear.
Over a Windows 10 operating system, you want to install Workstation. Without third-party tool, without the operating system, you are unable to install any of application. Is it clear?
Yes, clear.
This is the actual difference. If anyone asks you question related, could you please define the difference between hypervisor type 1 and type 2? So in single word, you can say that hypervisor type 1 not required any kind of operating system. It considered as a bare metal. Hypervisor type 2 required a hosted virtualization, means you must need to install OS, and over operating system you can install any of a hypervisor type 2 based software like as a Workstation, Virtual PC, VirtualBox, or VMware Fusion. Clear?
Okay, clear.
Okay. So this is the basic identification of VMware virtualization. Now our motto, we know that we have a number of options, but our motto to understand each and everything related to ESXi host. Fine?
Fine, yeah.
Cool. Let's talk about the topic. vSphere 7.0. We need to understand each and everything related to the content of vSphere 7.0. Is it okay?
Okay, that's okay.
ESXi host. So I hope you know about the number of ESXi version which is available in environment. May I know how many ESXi versions are available?
No, actually, I don't know.
No problem. Okay, let me define you about the types of ESXi version which is available in our environment.
Okay.
So a number of ESXi host versions available, like as started from ESX, not ESXi 3.5, ESX 4.0, ESX 5.0. Okay.
Okay.
But if we talk about the next version, ESXi 5.5, ESXi 6.0, ESXi 6.0 update. Okay, not 6.0.
Okay.
And then you know that ESXi 6.5, ESXi 6.7, ESXi 7.0, right?
Yes.
And 7.5 as well.
Oh, okay. The latest one is 7.5.
Yeah, maybe within maybe 2 or 3 months, after 3 months, we will get a 8.0 as well.
Oh, okay.
Okay, this is considered as a ESX. Okay, ESX.
Okay.
And these versions considered as a ESXi.
Okay.
Okay, the actual difference between ESX and ESXi. So ESX, which is help you to create a virtual environment only and only GUI management.
Okay. Okay.
You are unable to configure anything with the help of command. You are unable to configure anything with the help of script. Okay.
Okay.
ESXi
Okay.
is integrated with GUI plus CLI plus PS PowerShell.
Okay.
And if we talk about latest version, like I just between 6.5 to 7.5, it's a automation based.
Oh, okay.
Automation based means you just need to create an automation script and no need to do anything. Automatically, it will manage each and every activity.
Oh, okay. Okay. Is there any abbreviation for this ESX or ESXi?
Yeah, but I need to check it.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Is it okay now?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. So our responsibility to manage our ESXi 7.0. Let's talk about what is ESXi host.
Okay.
So as we discussed, ESXi is basically type of bare metal virtualization, correct? Means we can
Yes.
install this application, we can install this operating system directly on the base machine.
Okay.
We can directly install it on the into the base machine. Now, talk about the minimum hardware requirement. We should know about the minimum hardware requirement to install the ESXi. So minimum hardware requirement to install ESXi, 4 GB of RAM. CPU must be a 2-core at least.
Okay.
About the hard disk, HDD, 40 GB hard disk free space. About networking, system should contain NIC card, NIC.
Okay.
So this is the prerequisite. This is the prerequisite.
Okay.
Clear? So
Clear.
now I'm going to install, I'm going to show you the step how you can install the ESXi.
Okay.
Let me check. I think I need to connect RDP of my another computer. I need to restart
Okay.
it. Just give me 1 minute.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, this is my another computer, which is contain a 16 gig RAM and Core i5 processor and 120
Okay.
gig of hard drive.
Okay.
Fine.
Fine.
I'm going to install ESXi host on this particular machine.
Okay.
So this is Workstation, VMware Workstation that I installed. So what
Okay.
I need to do, I think I have already installed multiple computers. So I need to remove some virtual machine because due to low space in our hard drive,
Okay.
I need to remove few. Okay, now this is VMware Workstation, and we will use ISO image. And with the help of ISO image of ESXi, we need to install it. So have you idea about how to download the ISO image, VMware ESXi ISO image?
No, no, done.
It's really simple. You need to create, you need to sign up yourself over a VMware site, and you are able to download any tool of VMware. So let me show
okay.
you. Just need to open Google.
Okay, it's a trial or?
It's a 60-day trial, and it's enough for practice purpose.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Download ESXi Host 7.0. Okay.
Okay.
You must need to download ISO.
Okay.
Open the VMware site. If you have account, please proceed with the, I have an account. If you don't have any account, just need to proceed, create an account. Clear?
Okay, clear.
You can create your account with any mail ID. Like I'm going to use my Gmail account. This is my Gmail account. I'm going to use the same Gmail account to create our, just sign up over Azure VMware portal.
Okay.
If everything is okay, you will receive one code in your mail ID.
Okay.
The HKN. Open your mail ID. And you need to activate the mail ID.
Okay.
See, we'll receive one notification. Just need to click on activate your VMware account.
Okay.
It's already activated, not an issue. Let me try to open it again. Email sent. We successfully activated our account.
Okay.
Now, I want to download the tool. So activate हो गया है यहाँ पे, हमें बस जो required software है उनको download करना है.
Okay.
Fine. Let's download VMware Workstation, VMware ESXi 7.0.
Okay.
You must need to download ISO image. Okay.
Okay.
This is 7.0, 390 MB. The total size of image is 390 MB. Need to download
Okay.
it.
Okay. What
Download.
is this VMware Essential? vSphere Essential means
Sorry,
VMware vSphere Essential.
it's a VMware vSphere hypervisor.
Oh, okay. No, the previous window,
Yeah,
there
it's
was
a
one.
document. It's related to document. Essentially, it's a document.
Oh, okay.
Now we successfully downloaded it. The total capacity of ESXi 7.0 is 390 MB. Correct.
Okay. Yeah.
Now we need to install this ESXi to our hypervisor machine, means VMware workstation. Anything, you can download anything from this particular panel, not only the, like you want to download VMware workstation 16.
Okay.
It's a free trial, means it's valid for, I think, 60 days.
Oh, okay.
But we'll try to search the crack version.
Oh, okay. Fine. This is 30 days. It's mentioned.
Sorry.
It's 30 days. It's mentioned here. 30 days.
Yes, yes, yes. Now we successfully downloaded both tools. The
Okay.
one is VMware Workstation 16 and another is ISO image. Now we are ready with all required software, right? So our responsibility to install a tool and install ESXi, install VMware Workstation, and over a workstation we will install the ESXi 7.0. So please go through the content that we completed today and let me know if you have any question.
It's fine. It's
Okay.
fine.
So about the installation part, can we connect tomorrow? Means we just continue tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, because you know that I'm on office, means in between some engineers also pinging me.
Okay. Basically, you're where are you working?
I'm working with US client basically. I'm from Delhi.
Delhi. Okay.
Working on US shift. So till 2:30 p.m. 2:30 a.m. I'm in shift.
Okay. You are in same field you are working or?
Yes, yes. I'm working as a technical trainer in my organization.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Is it fine?
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
Okay, we'll send you recording once it's completed, and we'll connect tomorrow on same time.
Yeah, sure.
Take care. Huh? Bye.
Okay. Bye. Thank you. Good night.
Welcome.